maiden flight, FMS 1.2, Cessna 182, running a Forza 2200. The LED or the light were modified, so it looks a bit better. It's running an AX3X right now and a mid-rate. I'm gonna try a safe select after the turn. I'm gonna go for a high rate for that one. So we have a safe select, and a high rate. Wind gust around 15. That's safe select. And a high rate, of course. Okay, I'm gonna go to AX3X, and I'm gonna try a normal flight, no safe flight. Flies better too without AX3X with that one, but the thing I'm gonna turn on because it's windy, plus it's cold. Temperature wise, probably around low 40s with a wind chill. It's a little bit freezing. Hands are freezing a bit. No trim so far. And it's also a bit crosswind. So we get landed okay so far. Touch and go. Okay. I'm gonna try a loop if I could. And made a flight. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a nice loop. Big one. I think it's time to land a little bit. My hands are freezing. So if you go to our RC group, I think there's some pictures in there, instruction on how to modify the lights a little bit. Okay, so that's in go. Maybe one more. Oh, wind's picking up. No trim so far, no trim. Thanks for watching.